Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the video, we will discuss an important Supreme Court decision involving Republic Act No. 10175, also known as the Cybercrime Prohibition Act of 2012. Our figure case today is People of Philippines versus Jomerito S. Soliman and G.R. No. 2567900, cited on April 25, 2023. This case is significant because it answers very important legal questions. Can a person convicted of online libel under RA 10175 be punished with a fine only without imprisonment? For at least this video will answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the case all about? Number 2, what are the facts of the case? Number 3, what are the issues involved? 4, what is the ruling of Supreme Court? 5, what are the key takeaways of learning for this case? Let's us begin. What is the case all about? The case of People of Philippines versus Jomerito S. Soliman is a criminal case for online libel under Section 464 Republic Act Note 1000175. Jomerito S. Soliman was charged and convicted for posting defamatory statement on Facebook against Wardo R. Carpio, a government official connected with a Department of Agriculture. The central issue of the case is not whether Soliman committed libel because the guilt was already established by the trial court. Instead, the controversial focuses on the proper penalty. What is correct of the Regional Trial Court or RTC to impose a fine of 50,000 only? Why should imprisonment have been imposed? Because the crime was committed. Thought information and communication technology under Section 6 of RA 10175. The people of Philippines thought the prosecution elevate the case to question the penalty imposed. The facts of the case: the Facebook post on January 23, 2008, Jomerito S. Soliman's posted a statement on this Facebook account accusing Wardo R. Carpio of deliberately delaying the release of sanitary and field sanitary permits, engaging in corruptions and illegal activities, abusing the authority as a republic official. The post is container malicious imputations, offensive language, and accusations that damage the reputation of the complainants. The Facebook post was public, commonly identifier of complainants, accessible to many people online. Filing of criminal case. Because of this post, an informational form online libel was filed against Soliman before the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City. After trial on the RTC found Soliman guilty beyond reasonable doubt of online libel. Penalty imposed by RTC in the decisions dated August 23, 2019. The RTC convicted Suleiman of online libel under 10175, imposed and a fine of 50,000 with subsidiary imprisonment in the case of non-payment. The RATC retired in Administrative Circular Note 08/2008, she is allowed to court under certain circumstance to impose a fine instead of imprisonment in libel case. Suleiman did not appear his convictions in the fine issue of the case. The Supreme Court identified one main issue: did the RTC commit grave abuse of their creations in imposing a penalty of the only of online libel. The resolving this, the court addressing severely questions. Just Section 6 of RA 10175 required mandatory imprisonment for online libel. Is a fine still a valid alternative penalty? Did the government petitions violate the accuracy right against double jeopardy? Is Administrative Circular Note 08/2008 applicable in online libel cases? Ruling of the Supreme Court, a double jeopardy. The Supreme Court ruling in the increase the penalty after judgment have become final whole violate the constitutional right against double jeopardy. A risk the RTC committed grave abuse of discretions. Since the RTC acting willing to jurisdictions and discretions, the penalty will not longer be increased. On the proper penalty of online libel, the court explained that libel are under Article 355 of Reverse Penal Code is punishable by imprisonment or fine of both. Section 6 of RA 100/175 increased the penalty by 1 degree with commitment ICT, but the appliance the both imprisonment and fine. The law does not require imprisonment as the only penalty for online libel. Validity of the 50,000 fine. The Supreme Court compute the proper range of fine of online libel. Minimum 40,000, maximum 1,500,000. Since the fine of 50,000 imposed by the RTC fails willing the range it lawful and proper. Applicability of Administrative Circular Note 08/2008. The court ruled the Administrative Security Note 08/2008 appliance the online libel. The circular does not remove imprisonment as a penalty. To allow just to impose fine only depending on the circumstance. In this case, mitigating circumstances include the occurrence acting of or out of injury, the demoratory post was delayed, the accuracy apologized to the applicants, And final depositions. The Supreme Court denied in the petition the people of Philippines and affirmed the decision of RTC and the Court of Appeals. Takes away learning. The key lesson for this case are online label is punishable, offensive, but imprisonment is not automatic. Courts retains judicial directions in imposing penalties from online label. Section 6 of RA 1075 in case penalties by degree by just not eliminates fines. Administrative Secretary Note 082008 refers even to online label cases. Increases in it penalty after final judgment violates double jeopardy. In conclusions, People versus Soliman, it is a remarked case that clarifies how penalties for online label should be imposed under RA 1075. It reminds us that social media allows free expression is also criminal legal responsibility. And thank you for watching. If you found the discussions helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you on our next legal discussions.